Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here. We are going to learn about hyperlinks and why they are important and why they can be really helpful for presentations, especially if you have special parts of your presentation that you want to bring into your talk that you don't want to confuse the flow of your pages. What I mean is that you may have special pages here, and you may just want to talk about a picture that's here about the water cycle, and you may want to go and talk about the pictures of Vietnam, but at the same time you have video that you want to have at the bottom of your page. So let's say this is a big video that you have here, and you want to link to that video. Okay, so let's go and delete these pages for a second, and we'll use that as an example. So let's pretend that this is a video and we want to go and link to this video or this special picture, this special piece of media, but you don't want it to be part of this. You have a different page, a different picture for the water cycle, or an animation for your water cycle, different pictures, etc., etc., etc. So what you can use are sort of menus, and I've made a table here just to really sort of emphasize the table aspect or the menu aspect. And so if we look closely at our pages here, you'll see that pages 2 and 5 are underlined. This means that they are hyperlinked. And so if I go to number 5, it will take me to what this title is, which is the future, and what it's about is called the Sinking City. And what we're telling the audience to look for are rising cities or sinking city. So I'm going to go and tap on number 5 like that. And you can see that it says go to slide, and it links to slide number 5. So let's go and play our presentation. Okay, let's go and play our presentation and then see what happens from here. So when you're playing your presentation, and I tap on the link, I'm going to go and tap on it right now, number 5, it'll take us to Sinking City. The reverse is that you will always have this copied hyperlink back to the page that you want to go. In this case, it's page number 1. So I'm going to go and tap on the way it says page number 1, because that is a hyperlink back to page number 1. And the same with page number 2, and I've got that same sequence where I go to page number 2, and then I can also hit my page number back again. So it's always in the same place. Okay. So let's just zoom out of here so I get my thumbnails on the side. Let's just see the structure, and we'll go and make one to the picture like this. Okay. So to get that page number 1, you only have to make it and then copy it, and we'll show you how to do that right now. Let's get into this this new one. So inside here, I'm going to go and let's go and change this to page number 6. I'm going to put number 6 in here, and we are going to call this image. And it is, let's call it the Sinking City. Let's say that's what it is. And we're going to pretend that picture is the Sinking City. I'm going to go and highlight number 6 there. And inside my menu, you can see in my menu here that I have the word link at the end. And when I tap link, it asks us what we want to link to. Do we want to link somewhere else? Do we want to link outside? And then we can go and link to slide. So I'm going to link to number slide, and the slide number is number 6, and we can see that on the side here at the very bottom is number 6. So I'm going to go and tap on number 6, and then it takes away that tick with the next slide, and we've got that. So let's go and hit play, and it should take us to the picture, and you'll see why it's important to have the return button on that page. So I'm going to hit play. I'm going to tap on number 6. We're going to tell our audience that we're looking for this image, and you're going to look for and ask this question. You're looking at the Sinking City, and you're asking, right, is this a rising sea or sinking city? So that the audience knows beforehand what to expect. There we go. Now you'll notice that there isn't a back button. There isn't a slide number 1. Okay, so I need to come out of here, go and get my page like this, go and highlight that, copy it, and then I can put it into here. Let's go and get out of here. And paste. Let's go move that onto my page. There we go. So let's go and try it one more time. Number 6, back page to number 1, and goes back to my menu. So it brings us back to the page that we're talking about. Okay. You could go and thread an entire story based on hyperlinks, okay, that you are going to and from. So you're not actually going in this line, you're not going in this linear order. It's not going from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5. We're actually going from 1 to 6 and back again. So if you want to put that into your presentation, it's really, really handy. Okay, as always, good luck.